In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently upload an SVG file to your Canva project. Whether you're designing a logo, creating digital artwork, or just looking to enhance your project with custom graphics, knowing how to upload and incorporate SVG files into Canva can be immensely helpful. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First things first, let's make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have your project ready to go. Open up Canva and navigate to the specific project where you'd like to include your SVG file. Think of your project as a canvas where all your creative ideas come together, and this step is about ensuring you're in the right place to add that extra artistic touch with your SVG file. Once you have your project pulled up, you'll want to focus on the left-hand toolbar. This is where all your uploads and media storage options are displayed. Search for the tab labeled Uploads. Clicking on this tab will guide you toward the Upload Files button, which is your gateway to bringing external files into Canva. This feature is especially useful when you need to add unique elements that aren't readily available in Canva's libraries. After you click Upload Files, a file browser will pop up on your screen. It's time to browse through your computer and locate your SVG file. Make sure you know where your file is saved beforehand to save a bit of time here. SVG files are perfect for digital design projects because they maintain their quality regardless of how you scale them, meaning they keep all the lines smooth and crisp. Once you've found the file, highlight it by clicking on it and then select Open. Canva will initiate the upload process, which should only take a moment or two, and that, as they say, is that. Once your file is uploaded, you'll see it appear in the Uploads pane on your Canva screen. From here, you can simply drag it into your project, resize, recolor, or make any other adjustments needed. This is where your creativity comes into full play, as you can now integrate this file into your design vision seamlessly. To wrap things up, you've successfully added an SVG file to your Canva project, opening up a new world of customization and personalization. Remember that Canva is a user-friendly platform designed to help unleash your creativity, so don't hesitate to experiment with different design elements once your SVG is integrated. This simple process can enhance your projects and take them to the next level, whether for personal enjoyment or professional presentations. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.